Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that whenever I release amazing tutorials like this, you are going to be notified by YouTube. And all these are also what will be an encouragement for me to continue making nice and amazing tutorial video. So now in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you an admin panel, which I think every web developer is a bootstrap admin panel actually made by AdminLTE. So you can just come to the website. So this is the website, AdminLTE3.io. So you can just come to the website to check out this amazing template. So this template here I'm going to be showing you this amazing template. So they have premium templates. According to them over here. They have premium template, but we want to go over the free templates, which I want to create some tutorial videos on how to make some web applications using PHP. Then I'll be making use of this admin LTE for my admin dashboard majorly. So that's why I am making a video on admin LTE so that you can download them beforehand and whenever I start creating the video, you will be able to follow along. And this is also a nice admin panel you can use in any of your projects. So let's just go to live preview. So I'll just open this in new tab. So once I open it in new tab, so this is my admin panel. So over here you have an icon for notification, you have an icon for search, you have an icon for here you have icon for messages, icon for notification. Here you can full screen or not. Then here you can change lot of things, collapse. You can change lot of things about your admin panel. So here you can change lot of things about your admin panel. So all these are nice features that I think an admin panel can actually have. So let's go to what we here you have an amazing dashboard. So you can use any of these dashboard items, and they are with this dashboard one, you have dashboard two. Let me just make it of dashboard two. Can you see you have dashboard two? So any of the dashboard you feel like, and you have some amazing things in your dashboard, some amazing resources in which you can use in your dashboard. You also have dashboard three, whereby you also have some amazing things in your dashboard. Can you see we have the amazing things here? We have the widget section, so whereby you can pick any widget and use in any pages of your website. So you have the layout options, where you can choose any of the layouts to use in your project. So you can have any of the layout to use in your project. Let me go back. You have the chart. You can use the chart JS. You can use the chart JS for any chart. You have the float, you have the inline, you have the plot. So you have a lot of content here. Let's just go over them. You have the UI element, the general. So this will help you in your projects, in your pages. Then you have the icons. Also, you have the font icon, awesome. You have the iconic icon. You have the orange icons which you can use. Then you have the buttons. So all these are guides to your buttons in which you can use in all your projects. The different kind of buttons you have that you can use in your project. So all these are amazing. You have all these amazing. You have the sliders also. So you can just pick up the sliders, use them in your it's not even just use them in your. Then you have the modal alerts. In fact, this admin panel is very loaded, very loaded. If you keep going You have the forms, you have the tables, you have different kind of tables there. You have simple tables, you have data tables. All these are here. So this is very, very, very loaded. This admin panel is very, very, very loaded. So you can just come to the admin LT. I think I should go back to their website, AdminLTE. So this is the free. They also have some premium templates also at the admin template. So all these are premium templates. So if you love them, you can actually purchase them. So you have the images of HTML, CSS. They are responsive, over 1000 icons, lightweight, especially this lightweight, because I've been using them in my projects. And they make my website load faster. Enhanced for printing, skills, browser compatibility. They work on any browser. Then you have lot of plugins. Then there are also active communities. So all these are, in fact, I really, 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 really love this admin panel. So you can just download it and use it in any of your projects. Or if you want their premium templates also, though I've not tried them out, but I feel they will be good. Also, you can actually purchase their premium template. So if you know you love this tutorial video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.